Hi, my name's Mim Meakin. I'm a watercolorist, and I began my art lessons at 11 in Columbus, Georgia at an art school. And I painted in all mediums until I discovered watercolors almost 55 years ago. So I've been primarily painting in that medium ever since. It's my favorite. And today we're going to do a little autumn tree and show you how quickly you can do it and how easily it is to do. So here we go. I'm going to begin with a little ground area. Oh, that's pretty bright. It's a little bit cool out in my studio this morning, so we might have to talk a little bit more while we're getting a little drying effect. That was raw sienna, and now I'm putting the trunk in. I'll go back in the foreground and put a few, while the trunk's drying just a tad, put some cad orange for fallen leaves. I'm using cad red to put a few more. And I think we're about dry enough in the trunk to start adding the tree leaves. And here we have a little sponge that I bought in Florida. It's a natural sponge. And you can also use an elephant ear sponge. And I'm dabbing it in the different paints right out of the tube. That's cad yellow. This is cad orange. Add a few more yellow ones in the top. And here comes some cad red. Now go back with a little rigger brush. That bothers me, that little ring around the trunk. And add some more little bits coming out. I stand when I paint because you have a lot more control over your painting. And I don't paint all of my autumn scenes this way, but I just thought it would be a little bit entertaining for you. Oops. Put too much on that branch. So I'm going to bring it up a little taller. And maybe add some, I'm using my brush to add some leaves. That's so strong, I want to balance it out and add some hardier limbs on the other side. So I think we're about done with this session.